Hello everybody, this is Ed. Today we're checking out the Fanttik B11 Pro Max electric air duster. So some of the key features on here: boost mode, stepless speed, LED display, two-way fast charging, and you have some accessories. So let's go ahead and check this out. You got your user manual right here. Here is the electric duster right here. Man, Fanttik makes some really nice stuff. Really nice product here. Accessories. All right, so this is all that you get in the box. Here is your user manual. You have your storage bag, and then you have your different size nozzles. This one is your short nozzle, your air mattress nozzle, your wide nozzle here, your blade nozzle, and then you have your brush nozzle. You have a soft brush, flat brush right here, USB-C to USB-C charging cable, and your keycap puller. Have your lanyard. All right, so some of the specs on this product: it produces high velocity airflow, equipped with a 150,000 RPM motor, delivering wind speeds of 80 meters per second and 160 G of force. This product has precision control that features a horizontal roller for 100 speed stepless adjustment, allowing you to toggle between delicate dusting to a MegaBoost mode for stubborn debris. Has integrated lighting, includes an arc light to monitor airflow intensity and 1,000 lumen LED to eliminate dark crevices. So here is your power button right here, and right here is your wind speed adjustment key. Right here it's a rotating knob, and then right on the side here is your battery level. So you're going to hold it down for at least 2 seconds. And this is my battery level right here. There's no speed, so it shows 0 right here. It's 51% battery left. And then when you hit the wind speed adjustment key, you'll see the levels. There you go. Right here on the top here is your amber lighting, and this changes as the speed goes up. So you have the boost button right here, and in order for you to start that, you're on, and then whatever you're on, all you do is hit the boost button. As you can see, it shows HP on there. As soon as you hit the boost button, it turns purple. Also, with all the attachments that you do have, very easy. You can see the slots right here. See, they got 3 notches right here. Put it in and just turn. Now it's locked in place. So you also have a pretty bright light here. So the way you turn that on, all you do with it powered on, just tap the button. And there you go. So this is low, medium, high. Hit it again, turn it off. So this port here, you use it to charge a device, and you can charge out. So let's go ahead and check that out. Go ahead and plug it in. There it is. Fast charging on here, and it's coming from this device. So if you're looking for a very powerful electric air duster with all these accessories, check this one out.